Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change Google Maps navigation voice accent and language on Android. So this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So just find your Google Maps on your Android and then tap on it to open it. So let me find mine. So let me tap on this Google folder. So here I have this Google Maps. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on your profile picture icon at the top right. So let me tap on this, and after that you have to tap on this settings, and after that you have to scroll down to navigation settings. So here I have this navigation settings, so just tap on this, and I have this navigation settings. This is screen opened, and after that guys you have to come to this option voice selection. So currently I have this set default English. So in order to change that you have to tap on this voice selection. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys I have this voice selection. This is screen opened. So here I have this suggested voices, you can see that. Okay, and if I scroll down, and here I have this all voices, this section. Let me scroll down because I want to show you. Okay, you can see here we have various languages, and let me scroll to the top. Okay, so currently I have this default English set. You can see the check mark next to this, and also here I have this language, English India, English UK, English US. So here you can see language is same, but accent would be different. So let me show you. So suppose if I want to select this English UK, then I need to tap on it. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now selected. And also here I have this play test sound, this option. So if I tap on this, you can see the preview of that. So let me select some other option. So let me tap on this voice selection. Let me select this English US at this time. Let me tap on this. You can see it's now selected. Let me tap on this play test sound, this option. And you can see guys the accent is different from English UK. And suppose guys if you want to select some other language, then again you have to tap on this voice selection, go to the language of your choice and then tap on it to select that. So let me show you. So let me select this Hindi, this option. If I tap on this, you can see it's now selected. Let me tap on this play test sound. If I tap on this, you can see the preview of that. And again, suppose if I want to change this to default English, then I need to tap on this voice selection. Let me tap on this. And here I have this default English. I need to tap on this. And you can see it's now selected. And if I tap on this play test sound, you can hear the preview of that. And after you're done guys, you can close your Google Maps. So let me close that. Let me go back. So that's it. In this way, you can easily change Google Maps navigation voice, accent, and language on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.